Hi guys, I'm C2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking the final My Sport padlock from Airbus from kind Keymaster. Thank you, my friend. Love these locks. So far I've picked the football, the swimming, ice hockey, tennis, golf, and the last one was basketball. So the handball one is the one to be picked next, and the final one does have working keys. That's the bitting. Hope you can see that. Key working nicely, drawn out a tad and locked up. Going to be using different tension wrench and pick for this one. Pick is one of my favourite custom short hooks. Tension wrench is one of my homebrew flexi type wrenches made from car wiper inserts or wiper blade. So you can get it open. I work back to front. Tension I sort of add on there, put a little bit more on, and then adjust every now and again. So I'm not one of these that go counting pin after pin after pin. Once I go in, set a pin, I just search through and find binding pins. You can explain what's going on in a lock, picking pin one, whatever, etc, etc. But at the end of the day, key bitting is different. So to me, counting pins in theory is not really going to help a great deal unless you've got exactly the same key for that lock that somebody else has, etc. So start at the back, work to the front. So tension on. Just got it. It's now picked open. Like I say, skipping over binding pins, setting them. So that's the final My Sport Airbus padlock single pin picks, and it's the lovely handball one. So thank you again, Keymaster, my friend. So if you are newbies to lock sport, guys, why not come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.